All right, today I'm sitting on the Puffy mattress. This is the new 2019 model of the Puffy. And what's different about this model is actually they added another layer of foam. So the original Puffy had 2 layers. This one now has 3. And what I can tell you is it's a very substantial upgrade to an already extremely popular and well-loved mattress. So to break it down, if you're not familiar with Puffy, Puffy is probably one of the probably top 5 or 6 leading online brands in terms of popularity, search volume, etc. And I think it is such a popular mattress because it has such universal appeal. It's soft yet still supportive. It's versatile enough for any sleep position, and it truly does feel like kind of sleeping on a cloud. And that's because they've, I believe, worked on the foam densities, the construction of the mattress. They've gone through enough iterations where they really hit a sweet spot. Now, they've also come up with a new version of the Puffy Luxe, which is an extra layer of foam. So that's a 4-layer foam mattress, which is even a more plush feel, which is better suited more towards dedicated side sleepers or anybody that just wants a softer mattress that you sink into a bit more. But going back to the original Puffy, queen size right now retails for $1,150, but there are generous discounts to bring that down considerably, usually at least $200 off at any given time. So that does put it underneath $1,000 for a queen size. Now the Puffy does come roll packed in a box, just like most online brands. It comes shipped to your door for free. It comes with a 101-night trial. So that means you can have it in your house for 101 nights. If not happy, Puffy will take care of the return completely free. So it's a clean break. You're not out any money. That said, Puffy is just a great first choice for anybody getting into trying out some online mattresses because, like I said, really good appeal. Don't hear too many complaints in terms of feel or quality with Puffy. Now, this is also made in the USA mattress. It has a spill-resistant cover. It measures 10 inches deep. So starting from the bottom up, you have a 6-inch layer of support foam, which is pretty standard for a 10-inch mattress, followed by 2 layers of what they call climate comfort foam. And climate comfort foam is designed so that you have a consistent feel no matter what the temperature. So if you're like me in Minnesota, where the polar vortex can bring the temperature down to 24 below zero, or if you're down in Miami where it can be hot and humid in the summer months, you're still going to have a pretty consistent feel with your mattress despite the temperature. And that's important because you want to know that every time you go to bed, it's still going to be that same feeling mattress you've come to depend on. Finally, you have their layer of cloud foam, which is a cooling foam that is designed to regulate temperature, keep you cool, and prevent you from overheating. Common complaints among foam mattresses is that they sleep hot, and that's true that foam will act as an insulator, but new foam technology has made it as such that they will sleep cooler than a traditional foam mattress from 15, 20 years ago. So some of that perception about mattresses made of foam will always sleep hot. Sometimes that's not really warranted because these next-gen foams have come really a long ways. Now in terms of sink, as you can see, you do get a fair amount of sink with this mattress. Not a whole bunch. You're not going to feel like you're stuck and have to dig your way out. But what I do appreciate is that you sink enough that you're going to get the cradling around your hips and shoulders. You're not going to be waking up throughout the night having to change positions. And if you do, the top layer of foam does recover fairly quickly. Moderate recovery, not like a latex spring, but pretty quickly. Now, obviously, there's going to be basically no motion transfer with this mattress because it is all foam. Again, another common complaint among partners is that one partner may wake the other from moving around, and so that solves that issue. The climate comfort solves the temperature issue, and then of course being foam, you solve the pressure relief and comfort issue. So really excited to be able to talk about this mattress because I do think it's a much significant improvement over the last version, which is already a success. So you're going to be hearing a lot more about Puffy in the next few months. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We'll show you the inside, show you how each layer reacts, how it compares to the online brands. And we'll also talk about how it compares to the Puffy Luxe, which we also have a review on as well. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com.